How to replace or transfer your car title in Missouri. Do you need to replace or transfer your car title in Missouri? Let us walk you through the steps of the process. But first, remember to click the like and subscribe buttons, along with the notification bell for new video alerts. Replacing a car title. If your car title is lost, stolen, or damaged in Missouri, it becomes void. You must apply for a duplicate title by completing the Missouri Title and License application and submit it in person at the DOR office. Remember to notarize the application, pay a fee of $14.50, and handle any lien-related paperwork. Your new title status may be pending for up to 4 weeks, but it should arrive by mail within 2 to 3 weeks. Transferring a car title. For buyers and sellers in Missouri, correct title information is crucial. Within 30 days of purchase, ensure the vehicle is titled and necessary taxes are paid. Complete the Missouri Title and License application, especially if registering the vehicles simultaneously. Sellers must sign the title over to the buyer and provide required documentation for a smooth transfer process. It's also crucial to know that failing to transfer a title properly can result in legal complications and fines. Therefore, both parties should ensure all details are filled out correctly and all necessary forms are submitted to avoid any issues. For more detailed steps and to download the necessary forms, visit the Missouri Department of Revenue's official website. Remember, handling car titles correctly is key to ensuring ownership and avoiding legal problems down the road. Learn more about car title procedures and how to get a Missouri car title loan online by visiting our website.